welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. I know it's been a minute since I've given a lock update, so today I want to talk about having locks as someone who has medium to low density hair, as someone who has very fine and soft hair. So I want to give you all an update with how my locks are thriving after being locked 4.5 years. Okay, so I decided to get Microlocs because I wanted to have more volume, I wanted to have hair freedom, and I also wanted my hair to grow. Because when I was a loose natural, my hair really wouldn't grow past my shoulders. I'm not sure why, but that was the case for me. Also, as someone with medium to low density, coily, soft hair, I think Microlocs was a really good investment. And if you are someone with similar desires for your hair, similar to the desires that I had for my hair, then you should also consider getting Microlocs. Since I've been locked for 4.5 years, I feel like my hair has flourished immensely. Everything that I desired for my hair has been fulfilled since I've locked my hair, which is amazing. As you can see, I still don't have a lot of hair, but this is the most hair that I've ever had. This is the thickest that my ponytail has ever been. So I am really pleased with my decision and with my results. Overall, I'm really just happy that I have hair, right? I'm happy that I get to wear my natural hair unapologetically. Now, some people out there have, naturally have nice hair and they can be a loose natural and easily manage their hair. But for me, my natural hair it wasn't difficult to manage, but it didn't thrive like other people's hair, being a loose natural. So my hair thrives better when it's locked. It's thicker, it grows longer, it has more volume. So again, if you're someone like me, someone who has similar hair to me, then Microlocs may be a good option for you. So I want to show you all my locks because I know that's why you're here. You want to see how someone with medium to low density, coily fine hair, how their hair looks with Microlocs. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to start with my edges. Let's look at my edges. As you can see, my edges are very fine and very soft. And my edges have always been really soft. So I decided to not lock my edges because the hair there is not strong enough to hold a lock. So I rather have baby edges or short edges than not have edges at all. If your edges are very soft and fine and similar to mine, please do not try to lock that hair because it can result in you not having any edges at all. Here is a closer look at my edges. I just wanted you all to see just how soft and fine they were. I'm gonna probably add another video to show you all a closer up look if this isn't good enough. Here is another clip of my ponytail. It looks pretty good. It's not super thick. It's not really giving lock aspiration, but it's good enough for me. Once my hair grows out uniformly, I think my ponytail will look thicker. So here is an overview of my entire head. Again, I have medium to low density hair. So you can kind of see my scalp, but overall, this looks great. I am really satisfied with the outcome.